How much time do you spend making your average YouTube short? Is it 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to just make something that ultimately will be less than a minute long? Now imagine if you could just scratch away all of that hard work, all the video scripting, video recording, editing, and just do it in seconds. With just a couple clicks of buttons, you make a YouTube short. No more hours of work, just seconds. Well, this brand new AI software that I have right behind me actually claims it can do that. It can generate you entire viral-worthy YouTube shorts in just a couple of seconds. Just a couple of button clicks and you've created a YouTube short for the day. Just a couple of button clicks, now you've created one for the next day, and the next day, and the next day. No more scripting, no more voice recording, no more editing. You've made the YouTube short in just a couple of seconds. Here's a channel called Car Dog Jones that posts these Minecraft gameplay shorts that get hundreds of thousands of views each. What if I were to tell you this AI software actually can create these types of shorts in just seconds? Just seconds to create these types of shorts. In fact, this channel itself has gotten over 90 million views in the past month by just posting these Minecraft gameplay shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts monetization has been increasing, so it's very much possible that this guy is getting 10 cents for every 1,000 views. So in my estimate, this channel could be making $9,000 every single month from shorts that you can easily generate with AI. But in this video, we're actually going to cover a secret, much better monetization strategy that can make you 100 times the profit that this channel is making. This type of strategy has made me thousands of dollars with very, very little views on small YouTube channels. If you could generate YouTube shorts that got a fraction of 90 million views a month, you could be looking at getting 20, 30, 40,000 views every single month from YouTube shorts that you literally generate in seconds with just one AI software. Just one. Now at this point, I would consider myself an AI expert because I've used hundreds of AI softwares for all sorts of things. AI image generators, scripters, blog post writers, editors, video generators, all sorts of things. So if there's anyone that can say whether this AI shorts generator is legit or not, it's me. Confidently, I can say that I know my stuff. Now, the way to discover this method is through something called the high payout partner method. It's a program made by a guy named Matt Parr, who's 24 and worth like $30 million. For anyone interested in the high payout partner method, there's a link below. But basically how the method goes is like this. You get a high payout partner that gets you something like $400 for each sale you make. Then you make a video where you talk very, very good about it and you link it in your description so that people are able to purchase it and give you your commission. But the thing is, you still have to bring traffic to these videos. So what you do is you make YouTube shorts in the same niche as your profit partner. Let's say, for example, if you're doing supplements, you would do in the health niche. And using the AI software that I'll be talking about in this video, theoretically, you just spend a couple of seconds making these shorts, upload them, and then you select on related videos and select on your long-term videos. So whoever's watching the shorts will see a button that can redirect them to the long-form video and have them purchase your high payout partner so that you can make that $400 commission. So if you were to get 30,000 YouTube Shorts views a day, which trust me is not a lot, and 1% of them got funneled to your long-form video, and just 1 in 300 of those ended up buying your high payout partner, you'd be making $400 a day or $12,000 a month from just getting a low 30,000 YouTube Shorts views a day that you've generated in just a couple of seconds with this AI software. Now, obviously, there's a lot more to it. There's a lot more sales techniques when it comes to this in order to get even more sales than that. And if I could re-upload his entire high payout partner program right here to give you guys the same value, I would, but I'm actually a student of his program and I have found insane value. There's a community where I can ask questions 24/7. And if you guys are interested in joining as well, there's a link below to join his high payout partner program. But with that profitable monetization strategy, I wanted to see if it would work. If an AI software could generate me viral-worthy YouTube shorts so that I could start making money from commission sales each and every single day from AI-generated shorts. Because if that's true, then just one subscription for that would be a no-brainer deal. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and check it out together. So right here, I'm using the software called vid.ai. I'll have it linked below. but right here I'm going to simply press on a new project. Now right now they have faceless shorts and fake text, which I'll make a fake text in this video as well, but they're also introducing Reddit stories, auto caption, would you rather, and split screen shorts. Now I'm also hearing that they're eventually going to introduce long form video content, so you can also make entire long videos and not just shorts using this software. But first we're going to start off with faceless shorts. And now right here I can select a popular topic, a prompt, a script. I can just type it in. Instead I'm just going to go for prompt right here. Let me type in something. Let's say, for example, fun facts about spiders, like for example, and now we're going to select a narrator from all these narrator voices.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
We're just going to go ahead with Matt. Now right here I can choose a video source. So I can select any of these AI generated images right here, or I can go ahead and do gameplay video or viral videos right here. Some like soap cutting, some hydraulic press right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select on, let's do cinematic right here. Actually, natural seems to be better. Let's do natural right there. We're going to hit on generate content. Now here it's generated us all our images for our spider YouTube short. Now if I don't like any of these images, I can simply regenerate it. Like this one right here doesn't really look like a spider, so I'm going to regenerate that one, and that's going to take me a couple of seconds real quick. And there we go. So now that's a different one right there. Now all I have to do is hit on next and hit on generate. Now all I have to do is select some music right here. Like let's listen to Blade Runner 2049. That's perfect. And now we can also do some other things like with the captions. I kind of think the caption's a little small, so I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. And I'm actually gonna do one word because I think that looks better for short form content. Now what I'm going to do is just hit on generate. And now I've completely made a YouTube short in what it essentially was just seconds. Now we still haven't watched back the short to make sure that it's high quality, but before I get into that, we're actually hosting a completely free live training that you can attend by pressing on the link in the description below right now. We've hosted live trainings before, but this will be a limited time only thing, but you can secure your spot right now for this completely free live training by pressing on the link in the description below. There's limited spots available, but by pressing on the link in the description below, you can secure your spot and join us. We'll have a live chat and you'll discover the secrets to potentially 10x the growth on your channel. But let's get into that shorts result.
Did you know that spiders are not insects? They belong to a different class called arachnids. Spiders can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Some spiders can spin silk that is stronger than steel. There are over 45,000.
So in my opinion, with how it moves and the images that have been generated, this is a high quality YouTube short. There's tons of people that create shorts just like this that get millions upon millions of views every single month, every single week, and they make thousands of dollars from their channel. So you could essentially make thousands of dollars by just generating a short like this for a couple seconds a day. Maybe if you schedule them out for a month, you could get this done in like an hour or two for an entire month worth of YouTube shorts every single day upload. Now let's create another project, but instead of faceless shorts, we're gonna press on fake text. So right here, I'm just gonna choose this as a project name, and now I'm going to type in, my text exchange. So we're gonna do something like about a grandma falling for a Nigerian prince. So right here on the left, I'm going to type, grandma just got a new boyfriend, exclamation mark. And I'm gonna make this come from mom right here. So mom sending that message. Now I'm gonna press on this plus right here, and now it's gonna send a message from the sender, which would be, me in this situation. So I'm gonna say, what? She's like 80. Who is he? There we go. And I'm gonna press on plus again. And it's kind of funny because you can actually see this updating live over here on the viewfinder, but I'm gonna go ahead and now type in some guy she met online, ... They've been together for quite a bit. No way. What's his name? Question mark, question mark. And the receiver will say, let me check real quick. Now for this next message, I still want it to be from the left receiver. So I'm gonna switch this to receiver right here, and I'm gonna say, oh no, his name is Prince Aquafor, and he's apparently a prince from Nigeria trying to scam grandma, ... And then now the last message will be like something like typical grandma. There we go. Now I'm just gonna go over to the theme right here and I can select black or white theme right here. So I'm just keep it on white. The video, now I can select which gameplay I want. I'm gonna keep it at Minecraft. And right here I can select the two voices. So obviously the mom has to be a female voice.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Ideas are the beginning.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
So we use that voice, and then for me, I'm just gonna use the voice for Matt. Now I'm gonna hit on a render right here. Now we're gonna go over the result in just 1 second, but guys, VidAI is introducing so many new types of shorts and eventually a long form video generator. But here's the kicker. If you get VidAI right now, you keep your same price for life. Even when it raises up to $100 a month, you'll still keep your same price that you have it at. Even if it were to raise up to $300, $400, $500 a month, you would still keep your same price that you purchased it at. So you'd be getting all of these extra video generators, a long form generator on top of what you bought it for originally. So link is in the description below for anyone who's interested in that, but let's check out our finished short right here.
Grandma just got a new boyfriend.
What, she's like 80? Who is he?
Some guy she met online. They've been together for quite a bit.
No way, what's his name?
Let me check real quick. Oh no, his name is Prince Okafor, and he's apparently a prince from Nigeria trying to scam grandma.
Typical grandma.
Now, obviously, I'm not a genius for coming up with tech shorts at the top of my head, but you can't tell me that something like that is a super useful tool for making viral comedy fake text YouTube shorts in literally just a minute. I made that. Now, if you really want to level up your game, what you're going to want to use is something called TubeMagic. Now, what is TubeMagic? It's your all-in-one YouTube AI tool specifically designed for all YouTube creators. So right here on TubeMagic, I'm gonna go down to the Warp Upload tool. Now, obviously there's so many other tools like a thumbnail generator, a video ideas tool, and scripting tools right here, but I'm just gonna use the Warp Upload tool right here. Now I can put in the URL of my video if it's already public or if it's already unlisted, but right here, I'm gonna put in the content. So I'm gonna say a fake text YouTube short about grandma getting scammed by a Nigerian prince or something like that. Then I'm gonna hit on generate right here. And now accessing videos with millions upon millions of views using their viral metadata, TubeMagic is gonna use its AI to model those tags, titles, and descriptions to make me viral metadata as well. Like right here, grandma scanned by a prince, hashtag short. Here's the description with viral worthy keywords, and then my viral tags right here that I can simply copy just like that. If you really wanna level up your game, then you would use TubeMagic, which you can get for an entire week for only $1 with the link below. Yes, only $1 to try out this. Only $1 to try out all of these tools right here. Only $1 to try out a thumbnail generator. This is a no-brainer tool for anyone to use who really wants to level up their YouTube game. TubeMagic is amazing, and they even introduced a new micro tool section as well. Now, this was a video of me reviewing one AI software, and that was VidAI. But if you want to see this video right here, the 5 essential YouTube AI tools that every creator should use, then check out this video right here. In my time doing YouTube, I've probably used like 100 AI tools, and these are my 5 most recommended ones. So if you really want to take YouTube seriously and discover the secret 5 AI softwares, then check out this video right here.